Alright, this is 7539 131st Way in Seminole. We're going to start at the clean out and we're going to run from the clean out to the city tap. So immediately it makes a 45-degree turn. Main line is cast iron. Got another 45 going to the left. Our clean out right before the city tap, and then here's our tap right here. Alright, so I located that. It's down near the sidewalk, close to the mailbox for 7551, which is the house next door. I want to locate this 45 as well, right here. I've got that located in case they decide to run another sewer out for the master. It'll be right in front of the master. All right, now we're going to want to go take a look under the house. Alright, so there's our combo coming from the master right there on the left hand side. And there's our kitchen. So we got a little build up right there. Let's see if we can pop through it. There's the kitchen stack. So tiny little build up. Just make sure you run a lot of water through that kitchen line. There's our combo coming from the bathroom on the other side. Okay, so we need to run down through the master stack. That'll take us from there to this main line, and then the bathroom on the back right hand side of the house, that stack, and that'll take us through there as well. And then, yep, we might make a recommendation on toilet paper change. We've got some clumps in here. Alright, so this is the master bathroom stack. So if we're standing at the front of the house, oh, we got a frog, so we can get past him. This will be the stack or the bathroom all the way to the left. That's an end of the run stack. So we're going to camber from here to the main line. holding just a little bit of water in this branch line. Jesus. A frog just jumped out. He scared me. So there's our combo. You can see I'm pushing all kind of toilet paper and debris through this line. Let me see if I can get some water running in that master.
Hey, John.
Hey, buddy. Would you mind flushing the toilet in the master bathroom for me?
No problem.
The one if you're facing the front of the house, all the way on the left.
Say it again?
Yeah, the bathroom if you're facing the house would be the one on the left, the master.
Yeah, it just flushed.
Cool. Thank you, buddy.
Okay.
All right, see ya. So I got him to flush that toilet. I just want to see if we can get this debris pushed through here. Definitely looks like toilet paper or wipes. There we go. Got it pushed down. So we're through that combo that we saw earlier, coming from the left. So we're in the main line now. Now we're pulling back up in through the branch line. So we definitely have some toilet paper blocking right there at the combo where it ties into the main, but the pipe itself looks really good. Don't see any cracks, no breaks. And that's a very, very, very small amount of water. The camera head only sits maybe a quarter of an inch. That's probably where a toilet comes in from the bottom of the pipe. This is going to lead us back over to the stack. It's the end of the run stack. That's why the toilet was so far from it. There's our vanities right there. They wash the stack. So no issues at all with this line. And the last one we have to do would be the bathroom on the right, since we already got to do the kitchen. Alright, so this is going to be the stack for the bathroom on the right side of the house. And we'll camber this till it ties into the main line under the house. We saw the combo for it just near the kitchen. Cast iron, obviously. What we're looking for in cast iron is any big, large debris buildup or cast iron scale, pieces of metal buildup. I flushed this toilet 2 or 3 times, and I ran the shower in here prior to running the camera through this guy, since it's pretty much the furthest toilet away from the main. There's where we tie in just past the kitchen, and now we're in the main line that heads straight out to the clean out. So I don't see any issues with this line either. A tiny, tiny, tiny little bit of water in the bottom of the pipe is not of a huge concern. You just don't want to use any really thick toilet paper or wipes. And in that toilet, or that bathroom, I would recommend a pressure assist toilet, 100% for sure. We're coming back up the stack now. And we're back up the stack. So that's all the lines under the house. I'm going to conclude the video. I don't see any major issues.